Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Alisetla. So after reading all the questions that you have posted me on comment section and you are asking about the cutoff marks and cutoff ranks, like what is the eligibility for this KTR and all. Literally by seeing your questions, even I got confused, like what is this. I was like completely confused with all the questions that you are posing me. Guys, now I'm going to give you a link in the description box. See, even I can't perfectly predict that yes, you are going to get it. No, you are not going to get it, because this is really hard thing. Like the cutoffs will be changing frequently. So the only thing we can do is expecting, just guessing and expecting. So as of my expectations, as of the things, I just replied you in my comment sections. So like may not be perfect, but mostly I have answered you guys, because even I'm telling I really got confused by the questions. So I'm giving you the general cutoff for this SRM University now. So please check this video properly. Please be patient, guys. See, you have what I have told you in that video. Please go to Quora Digest and ask the question that you actually want, because they'll reply you for every question. And yes, I have the responsibility to tell you if I know the things, but what I'm telling is we are just the students. We can just guess the things, and we'll be answering you only the guessed questions, like guessed answers. We'll be telling you only the guessing. By guessing, we can't be like yes, perfect 100% you'll get it. If you feel like yes you'll get, we'll give you yes. If not, no. So guys, please, I'm telling you this for the second time. Go check twice or thrice before taking a decision. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the general, like for everything, like for every campus you need to have some kind of cutoff, right? So that all cutoff ranks I'm going to give you after lots and lots of study. I'm providing you this video. Please take it really serious, because I'm working so hard to make all these videos for you. Okay, you just do me a favor, like just subscribe to my channel and like my video. That's it. I don't want anything from you in return. That is the biggest thing I am expecting from you. Anyway, that's okay. Be my friend by subscribing my channel. Thank you. And okay guys, so after checking everything, like you know what, for in every website they're giving this different fee structure, different cutoff ranks, and everything is different. They until like maybe 1000 to 2000 there will be just change between this, but that will show a huge impact on our ranks, right? So that is what I feel too. Okay guys, now let's get started into our video, and I'm going to explain everything properly. So just watch it. Be patient guys, because at this moment of time you need to have lots and lots of patience, because you have already done your seat like choice filling. Now if you ask me like at what college, at what branch are we going to get, is like just foolishness. You cannot change anything. What they give you, you need to take that. So you have nothing in your hands. You already filled the choices. Now why you are worrying about like this is my rank, where do I get, how much, like everything? No, like you have no choice now. Now you just have to accept what they give you. So go sit for second round, third round, participate until you get what you want. Okay, let's get started into our video. I know I ate your brain, but I'm sorry. Let's get started. So if you can see, these are the name of the courses and the closing ranks just expected. Aerospace is 51,000 to 52,000 in between. Automobile engineering is 54,000 to 55. Biomedical is 53 to 54. Biotechnology is 47 to 48. Chemical engineering is 69 to 70,000. Civil is 69 to 70,000, same as chemical. Computer is 9,000 to 10,000. between. Electrical is 39 to 40. Electronics is 26 to 27. Electronics and instrumental is 60 to 61. Genetic is 61 to 62,000. So these are the expected closing ranks and the opening ranks. So follow these things. So you need these kind of documents for SRM JEEE which are of previous years, but we can use the same for now even. So counseling call letter, 10th and 12th mark card, SRM 2021 rank card, 2021 admit card, photo identity proof like PAN card or Aadhaar card, like passport if you have, receipts of fees paid during this payment mode like DD or something, and a cancelled check leaf with the name of candidate, parent printed on it, or else parent printed on it. These are the documents required for this counseling process. So hopefully you liked it.